Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. I thank you very much for your kindly participating with this Krishna consciousness movement. As already described by Sriman Kirtanananda Maharaj, that this Bhagavad Dharma was spoken by Bhagavan, Lord Sri Krishna, Bhagavan. It is a Sanskrit word. Bhaga means fortunes, and Ban means one who possesses. These two words combined together makes the word Bhagavan, or the supreme fortunate. We calculate our fortune if somebody is very rich, if somebody is very strong, if somebody is very beautiful, if somebody is very wise, if somebody is in renounced order of life. In this way there are 6 opulences, and these opulences, when one possesses in fullness, without any rivalry, he is called Bhagavan. The richest of all, the wisest of all, the most beautiful, the most famous, the most renowned, in this way, Bhagavan. And the Bhagavad also comes from the word Bhava. From Bhava, when it is used, participle adjective, it becomes Bhava. The Bhagavat, the same thing. Ban, this word comes from the word Bhat Sabha. Bhagavat. In Sanskrit, every word is grammatically very systematically bound up. Every word. Therefore it is called Sanskrit language. Sanskrit means reform. We cannot manufacture by whims. It must be strictly according to the grammatical rules and regulations. So the Bhagavad Dharma means the relationship between the devotees and the Lord. The Lord is Bhagavan and the devotee is Bhagavan, or in relationship with Bhagavan. So, everyone is related with the Supreme Personality of Godhead, just like father and son is always related. That relation cannot be broken. At any stage. But sometimes it happens that the son, out of his own independence, he goes out of his home and forgets the affectionate relationship with father. In your country, it is not very extraordinary thing. so many sons go out of father's affectionate home. That is very ordinary experience. So everyone has got independence. Similarly, we are all sons of God, but we are at the same time independent. Not fully independent, but independent. We have got the tendency of having independence. Because God is fully independent and we are born of God. Therefore, we have got the quality of independence. Although we cannot be absolutely independent as God, but the tendency is there that I shall become independent. So, the living entities, we are part and parcel of God. When we want to live independently of God, that is our conditional stage.
Hare Krishna